Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be going over how to replace the cabin air filter on a BMW 3 Series E46. So just before I put the camera down, just want to let you guys know that there's 3 screws, plastic screws that you have to unlock right here, and the cabin filter sits right under there. Just as a side note, I feel like this is something that's the most neglected when it comes to cars, not only this series, but I feel like just a lot of people don't do this. So here's the new one. This is made by Bosch, and it should help the air quality that gets into the car. So you just screw this one, pops out, this one, and this one I think is actually already broken. So you just lift this up and pull out the old one, and as you can see, the old one compared to the new one, big difference. So it was good that we're finally getting this done. And just make sure to align it as the same way it came out. So yep, that aligns pretty well. Which side was that? Oh, this actually. So these, I guess indents or points, those are going to be going on facing down. Just try not to break these because they are quite flimsy. It's definitely a little bit more complicated than doing it like on a Honda Civic or something. But yeah, that's it pretty much. You can just put this screws back in. This is where it gets a little bit annoying. Yeah, there we go. So there. This one goes back in like so, and then this one is the one that had the big problem, but we'll see if we can get it sorted out this time. Last time it didn't want to go down. Okay, so this one, as expected, is good. Oh, actually, there we go. Oh, it worked today. Cool, and that's how you get the old filter out. As you guys can see, the old one, pretty bad condition compared to the previous one, but that's expected. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.